Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. In previous lectures, we learned few array programs. Today I am going to explain how to find duplicates in array. We can solve this program in three ways. One is brute force method, using hash set method, using hash map as well. So I will explain today by using brute force method, which is the normal method. Let's understand with an example. Let's take one array. Array is equal to, I am taking here 5 elements. So in these 5 elements, you can see one is repeated twice. Okay, at 0th place one is there, and at the 4th index as well one is present. So how can we present? How can we look into the array which we need to retrieve the duplicates from this array? Okay, so let's get into the program. So here I have a class and main method. I need to create scanner object to take users input. System dot in. Int size, array size we are taking here first of all. Later we need to create an object for array. Need to pass the size over here. Now by using for loop, I less than arr dot length, I plus plus. By using for loop, I am taking the array elements over here. So arr of I is equal to c dot next int. Done. Okay, I have created object for scanner class. I have taken the array length over here, created object, and I have array elements as well. So what I need to find the duplicate value from the array, right? For that I need two loops. Okay, two for loops. Int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length minus 1. Why minus 1? I'll explain. I plus plus. Another for loop for j. J is equal to I plus 1. J less than arr dot length j plus plus. So what I done here, I need to initialize j over here. Okay, so int I is equal 0, I less than arr dot length minus 1, I plus. Okay, here my I value is equal to 0, right? At 0th index I have what? 1. At first index I have what? 5. Like I have second index at 4. At third index I have value 2. At fourth index I have value 1, right? Okay, so I need to compare these element with another. If the value 1 is same with the next index as well, then I need to return that, right? For that I need to look the first value with all the elements of this loop. For the first for loop, what will took here, I is initially I is equal to 0, right? Okay, I is equal 0. 0 is less than the array length. Array size is 5. So here 0 is less than 5. The condition is gets true. Sorry, here array length minus 1. Why I have picked minus 1? Because I value is we need to iterate the loop, the upper loop till the third index. No need to go into the fourth index, because in the next loop we are taking the last index value as well. So we are just comparing the first index and the last index in the loops. Let's understand how it is working. Okay, first I have index 0, right? 0 is less than 5, true. Less than 5 minus 1, it is 4. Yeah, condition gets true. Here j value becomes I plus 1. What means this is I value, right? Here j value is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, 1 is less than, here we are checking the whole array length size, so 1 is less than 5, the condition is gets true. Then what we are doing here, if the array at ith index double is equal to array at jth index, okay, then we need to take one int double element. So this ARR of j should be assigned to double element. Then simply print that system dot out dot println the duplicate element is simple. We need to print the double element. Okay, let's debug once. May not have been initialized. Okay, we need to initialize. Initially it will be 0. So workspace code. Okay, I haven't given any println statements, right? So I need to first give the length for the array, then 1, 3, 5, 7, 2. So yeah, just 1. These are the array elements. Sorry. The duplicate. So here I have given the println statement in the loop, right? That's why it is okay. I'll print out of the loop. For better understanding, I'll give println statements here. Enter size of array. I was just confused because it is not showing anything. Okay, so enter size of array. Size of array is entered. Then here, before going to the while for loop, enter array elements. Okay, Debug once. So enter size of array, it's 5. Enter array elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 1. I am just duplicating the one valued here. So the duplicate element is 1. Okay, you got the duplicate element. So let's give another values. So again 5. Enter array element. So now I'll duplicate number 2, 4, 5, 6 and 2. So the duplicate element is 2. Okay, let's understand the code here. So I value is 0. Initially I value is 0. J value is 1 over here. Okay, I value is 0. Length, the condition is true, it will enter into the second for loop. J value becomes 1. The condition is true. Then it will check array of at ith index. ARR of at 0th index, what is the value over here? 1. Okay, is 1 double is equal to jth index. At first position it have 5. So the condition is gets fail. Okay, I and j is not true. So it won't store the jth index, j value over here. So then it will increase. J value is increased here. J becomes 2. J is equal to 2. Now, so J2 is always less than 5. The condition is also gets true. Then now it is checking. We have I value 1 only. Okay. So ARR of ith index is what? 0. At 0th index we have value what? 1. So is 1 double is equal to j value becomes what? 2. So at second index 0, 1, 2. J value is 2. At second index we have 7. So we don't store any jth index value because the conditions gets false. So j value again increased. Now j value becomes 3. Index is 3. So is 3 less than 5? True. J is less than 5. J value is less than 5. Yes, true. Now we are again checking the condition with ARR of ith index, that is 1. 1 is double is equal to, now index is 3. At third position we have 2. So the condition again gets false. Okay. Then the j value is again increased. Now j value is became 4. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, condition is true. Now again ARR of I is 1 only. Okay. So 1 double is equal to, at fourth index we have value 1. Yeah, the condition is true. Then it will store the ARR of j. What is ARR of j? J is at fourth position, we have 1. The duplicate value is 1. Okay. Likewise it will now j value is again increased. J becomes what? 5. Is 5 less than 5? The condition gets false. So it will not get into the if condition. Likewise I value, now I value is becomes what? 2. Okay, we are till now we have checked with 1 only, right? Now I value becomes what? I is equal to, index value is 2. So at second index, 0th position we have value 1. We have checked with 1. Now I index is increased to 1. At first index we have 5. Now we need to check with 5 is less than 1. No. 5 is equal to 1. No. So now j value, j now becomes, we have checked first position 5, right? So 5 with I plus 1. Now j value becomes what? I plus 1, that is equal to 2. Second index value is 7. So is 5 double is equal to 7? No. So that's why likewise it will check all the conditions, all the elements one by one. Okay, when the values become same, similar, I value and j value, then only the element will stored into one variable. That element is need to be written. Okay, I hope you understand the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you for the watching video.